So talk about how you're utilizing Udo and the library feature in this transition of care with Care Patrol. What's changed for you?
Yeah, it's really simple. So anytime someone qualifies for assisted living or long-term care or whatever the next level of care, with Care Patrol, we add them onto the case. And so Care Patrol has a little library video that we pre-recorded it. And so they've had probably 30, 40 discussions. They didn't even know about it. Randy had one video we did, and he's already talked to 30, 40 families.
Wow.
And then that goes to the families, and then if they want to continue that deeper, then we'll even add, so Care Patrol will get on board, help them try and find a facility, and then they post those facility, the tour on Udo. So then the patient is now involved with that care, or involved with that decision. It's interesting, the patient before never got to see that. It was always the kids going out, finding the best one, and usually they're like, oh, this one lives by me, let's do that one, because they want to be able to be close by. But with Udo, now the patient gets to make a decision with the family and see a couple of videos of the assisted living saying, yeah, that's the one I want to go to. That looks pretty nice. And it really doesn't matter if it's closer or far away. They want to get the right care in the right situation.
You think about healing, right? When you're healing, the people you're around and the place that you're in, it matters, and you've got to feel comfortable, right? This is not just some placebo effect. What you're referencing is now the patients can go from a skilled nursing to an assisted living or to some sort of hospice type care. They can see the place. They get introduction to the people through these pre-recorded videos. I mean, that's pretty powerful for the patient.
It's really powerful, and it's exciting to be a part of that just because it's never happened before.
Right.
There's so much energy, and I remember pouring my soul out to a family member and saying, hey, this is what your mom's going to expect, and really having a good connection with that family member. And then to find out they're not even the power of attorney. It was a cousin, Louie, that just happened to be by.
Yeah.
And so now I got to start over with the power of attorney, or start over with that family member who's the driver of the situation, and try and duplicate what I just did. And now with those libraries, we just put that in there. We get it from the horse's mouth, so that our hospice team or whatever hospice team is involved. We actually, Aspen Ridge has their own hospice team, and so Jeanette, we just did one actually this morning. She just talked to one. We plugged that video in, and she had a discussion with everybody invited to that case. And so now there's an introduction, and so when she comes in, they'll see, oh, it's Jeanette, and that ball's already rolling.